Today I'm replacing the bodged Towbar electrics that I fitted ages ago as a quick fix, but they need sorting out. So what I've got is the genuine plug and play kit from Volvo, which looks really good. It was £55 plus VAT, and it's a 13 pin, not the 7 pin, because they phased out the 7 pin, so I had to buy an adapter as well, which was 30 quid from Volvo. I didn't try and get any sort of trade discount, so they might be a bit cheaper than that. So what we've got are 2 tie wraps and the bolts that will be for holding on the socket. You get a proper grommet that will come out under the boot floor. Earth cable. So another go at fitting this today and removing what I've got in there already. So we'll need to be under the floor in the boot. So mine's a complete mess. So I've made some space. I'll get the battery removed. I'm missing a clamp, so I won't show you how to do it, but it's pretty easy. You just got these 13mm and you'd have a clamp down here. The plug for the wiring harness goes behind here in this module here, but it's just tucked down the back there, which you may or may not have enough room to get to. If you don't, remove a 10mm bolt from here, and this whole panel can be pulled out of place. And here you'll see how I fitted my previous wiring. I just used the pin out of the trailer module and ran the wires straight to an aftermarket. Now with the battery out of position, you can see where the wiring comes through. You get a new grommet with the kit, the wiring already coming through it, and that goes down to the Towbar socket. So we need to route the new cables somewhere through the interior and up to the module. So I'm going to push the wiring through the hole under the car. And of course I need to pull all my messy wiring out of the way. So pull these out. I'm going to set the grommet into the hole. You'll definitely want to make sure that this is sat right, so you don't get any water in the boot. In order to route the wiring to the rear module, lift up the rest of the boot floor, undo a T25 torque screw from this hole here, 1, 2, 3 10mm bolts. Now this plastic component will remove, and we can push the wiring into this recess here and replace the component afterwards. Now we can very easily plug the connector into the trailer socket on the rear module. Choose somewhere to attach the new earth cable. Using the 3 Torx screws and nuts provided, I've attached the new socket to this electrics plate, which will be bolted up onto the tow bar. Now we do have excess wiring, so I'm going to have to look for somewhere to hook it up so that it's not dragging, and then we'll be able to test the socket. So here's the connector all mounted in position as it should be, and this is your adapter. So we've got the 13 pin capability now. And that's the adapter down to 7 pin. Now I spoke to Volvo when buying this kit. I spoke to someone in the parts department, and they made me aware that the car would need coding for having a tow bar. What they didn't make me aware of is that my car might not have this module here. So even at the beginning of this video I didn't know that this might be missing from my car, and I had to order this, costing me another £55. So that's where the other connectors went. And I was actually a little bit puzzled by this, because I had my tow bar electrics working with the wires going from the pin out on this module here. So I can't understand why that worked before, but then as soon as we've got the full connector plugged in, nothing worked, and I had to order this module. But not to worry, everything is working as it should now, and I can tow again. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and for more videos on this car and many others, please check out my channel.